This tutorial will quickly show you how to create a donate link for your YouTube channel using a business PayPal account. The first thing we need to do is log into PayPal and click on Merchant Services. Then we will click on the link that says Create Payment Buttons for your website. Next, click on Create a Button, and under Step 1, select Donations as your button type. Fill out the rest of the fields in Step 1 through 3 as desired. Once we're finished, click on Create Button at the bottom of the page. Let's scroll down, select the Email tab, and copy the link below. Now we can go over to our YouTube channel, and if we're logged in, we can hover over the upper right-hand corner of our channel art and select Edit Links. Under the Custom Links section, click on the Add button. Create a button title and paste in the link from PayPal. Lastly, let's click Done, and we should see our donate link in the channel's About section.